Alright guys, a lot of people ask me what apps come installed on your computer already. So I'm just gonna show you. Brand new computer, we haven't imported anything. Let's take a look at all apps. And here is the list. There's not that many. And there's some that you guys have to, even if you go into them, such as Word or anything like that, if you find that, then like right here, here's Word. You still need a subscription. So it's not that it's really installed, you need a subscription for some of those things. But other than that, those are the basics apps you guys get installed already on your brand new computer. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.